Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today, we're going to try out the TikTok hack of making pancake cereal. It came out looking really cute. So if you want to learn how to make this, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to use my favorite pancake recipe. It's really simple, there aren't a lot of ingredients. Let's start over here. We have 1.5 cups of flour, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of apple juice. This is a super simple recipe in terms of steps. You just add your dry ingredients together. So it's your baking powder, your salt, and your flour. Give it a little mix. And then you can just add all the rest of your ingredients, all your wet ingredients, right into the bowl. So something that I like about this recipe is that the only sweetener that it uses, other than maple syrup on top, is apple juice. So you don't have any unnatural sugars in here because apple juice is just from apples if you can get pure apple juice. So I think that's something nice about it. And mix that up. So just because we're making the mini ones, I thought that the batter should be a little bit thicker because then it'll be easier to pipe out. So I added like 2 more tablespoons of flour, so it's a little bit thicker now. And if you know me, you know that normal pancakes, that's just too boring. We need to add some pizzazz, so we're gonna add some sprinkles to it. But because these are so mini, I think the sprinkles are going to be too big, at least some of them. So I'm gonna mash them a little bit to get the colors a little bit more mixed together. I'm going to mash it on this plate and then add it into the batter. Okay, so now that our sprinkles are kind of pulverized, I'm going to add it into the batter and mix it up. These are going to look like they are ready for a party. Okay, I think this is going to turn out looking really cute, and we're ready to add the batter to our piping bag, also known as a Ziploc bag. So we now have our sack of batter. It looks delicious in here, and I put a little bit of oil down on the pan and kind of spread it out. And so now I'm going to cut a tiny hole in the corner of the bag, and I'm going to start to pipe out our pancakes. Make sure the heat is pretty low because you're not going to be able to pipe them out that fast. So I'm gonna keep piping out the pancakes until we use all the batter or we have a full bowl of cereal. So this one right here is ugly. So I'm just gonna do a little taste test, see if they're coming along well. It's like a pancake, but smaller. So I had some extra batter, so I made a little swirly-do. Our pancake cereal is complete. Now the big reveal. We take off our big pancake. They came out so good. They are so cute. It looks like cereal, and I think that the little Funfetti added so much fun to it. So now we have to try it. Need to add some syrup to it. Oh, it looks so good. time to try it. Cereal, yummy, yummy. I feel like I have to have a different mentality going into it as cereal compared to pancakes. So I'm not gonna lie, it tastes like pancakes, but I think that's really good. Best cereal, chewiest cereal. But I really like it. I mean, I would eat a bowl of it for breakfast. Overall, I think they turned out really well. I think they're really cute. It took a long time, so if you want to invest that amount of time into it, then go for it because they came out looking really good. But if you just want the flavor of pancakes, I would recommend just making one more like this. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe, check out some of my other videos. I have a Funfetti cookie recipe I will link right up here, which is really cool, really pretty, just like these. And I'll see you next time. Bye.